the magic classroom.
Or I'm so scared.
First, let's fix your chair.
What is this? ASMR?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
No, cut.
San Francisco's Assisi. The stage is yours. Good morning, Judge, and all of the people who are present here. Welcome to the finalists of Storytelling Budi Bakti 2024. I am Donovan who would like to tell you our story again. So, are you all ready?
Yeah.
Get up and then get ready to go to the platform so they can see the big red sun rises. In just 2 days, it wasn't a normal morning. It was a special morning because it's Buddy's birthday. So Walter tried to surprise Buddy. So Walter spent all night to get the stuff he needs. It's branches, fishes, decorations, even a new cozy bed for Buddy. So he spent all of the night grabbing branches, even fishes. But Walter just found out he didn't get any fishes in the midnight because at that hour fishes is not there. So Walter just tried to forget it and then wanted to do it tomorrow. Tomorrow, Buddy and Walter gets up and then they play in the lake together. They swim, they splash waters, breathing underwater. When they were just swimming, Walter just realized he didn't get any fishes for Buddy. So Walter and Buddy get up really fast. Buddy got put into the small house and then Walter gave Buddy a lot of food and then locked the door, the small house door. Walter exactly had 6 hours to prepare all of it. It's the fishes and the new cozy bed. So Walter goes to the forest to grab the stuff he needs for the bed. First, he needs the fishes. So he had exactly 2 hours to get all of the fishes. But Walter got 5 fishes in the first hour, and then the next hour he got 5 more fish. So it's exactly what Walter needs. So the next 4 hours, the 2 hours he tried to grab everything, and then the more 2 hours he tried to steal all of the bed for Buddy. And then after that, in the evening, Walter sneaks into the small house and tried to not wake Buddy up because Buddy was sleeping.
And slow as he is gone. When Bear was just walking, Bear just realized he doesn't have any food or habitat to survive the winter. So Bear tried to ignore it, but suddenly storms of bees started flowing. We are Hansel and Gretel. What do you want from us? Demanded the children. Oh, is it that you tell us I am comfortable? For more than the mind of person to my sister better.
Teenagers and people who live in the current era. They have begun to forget the sacrifices and struggles of our heroes from the past and no longer appreciate the importance of love for the country.
Which is different from our technical meeting that we had in the last.
hold still, myself. I will teach you slowly. Let's see you guys out. You can answer the myself with this. Done.
So funny.
I am sorry, I am Mr. Clarkson. Who are you calling Mr. Michael Jackson?